Alright, so I just opened up this H2O inflatable pool pong game. And first impression, this thing is really solid. I haven't even inflated it yet, but you can tell right away the materials aren't cheap. The buckets are thick, sturdy plastic. Like, you pick one up immediately, no, it's not cracking after 1 week. The floats feel good too. They've got some weight to them. And the vinyl feels smooth and durable. You know how some inflatables feel kind of sticky or thin? This is not that. The seams look clean, and just holding them, you can tell they're going to sit steady in the water instead of flopping everywhere from time to time from someone splashing. They give you everything you need in the box. 12 buckets, 2 balls, the floating bases, a storage bag, and even a pump. I appreciate that because I don't want to go digging around the garage for a random pump or adapter. It's in the box. The bag is actually a nice touch too. It's going to make it way easier to keep this all together instead of losing pieces over the summer. But honestly, the biggest thing is just the overall feel. The colors pop, the plastic feels durable, and the whole setup looks like it's going to hold up to a lot of use. And even though I haven't put it in the pool yet, I already know this is going to be a hit. The kids are going to be all over it, and the adults, yeah, I already know we're going to enjoy it. It's one of those games that just instantly becomes part of the pool routine. Backyard parties, lazy afternoons, whatever. This is going to fit right in.